Login loop error on Angel Investment Network fix. If you've been trying to log into the Angel Investment Network and keep getting stuck in a frustrating loop logging in, getting redirected, then asked to log in again, don't worry. You're not the only one, and the fix is simpler than most people realize. The surprising truth is, this issue usually isn't about your password at all. It's almost always caused by outdated cookies, cached login tokens, or browser settings blocking session data. Here's how to fix it step by step. Start by closing your browser or app completely. Then clear your cache and cookies. On desktop, go to your browser settings, open privacy or security, and clear your browsing data. Make sure cookies and cached images are included. On mobile, go into your phone settings, find the Angel Investment Network app, and tap Clear Cache or Clear Data. Next, check that your browser or app is fully up to date. Older versions sometimes have compatibility issues with the network's login security, which causes the loop to repeat. Updating often solves the problem immediately. If you're still stuck, try switching your internet connection. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or use a different network. Some corporate or public Wi-Fi connections block secure login requests by default. Another common culprit is your browser's privacy settings. Make sure cookies and JavaScript are enabled. Both are required for a successful login session. And if you're using a password manager, manually type in your credentials this time to avoid autofill glitches. Once you've cleared everything, refreshed your browser, and updated your app, try logging in again. You should finally be redirected to your dashboard without the endless loop. So next time you're caught in a lock-in loop on Angel Investment Network, remember it's not your password or your account. It's just a simple cache conflict that can be fixed in minutes. Clear your data, refresh, and you'll be back to exploring exciting investment opportunities in no time.